Dora, Dora, the explorer. The explorer. Dora, Dora, the explorer. She fell into the quicksand, and now she is no more. Dora, Dora, the explorer. She tangled with a lion's cub, now she's nothing more than gore. Her parachute didn't open. She plummeted to the ground, though she thought that she would soar. She played with matches. She was overcome by smoke when she failed to reach the door. Dora, Dora, the explorer. She fell into the river, and she never reached the shore. Dora, Dora, the explorer. She drank some poison, she lies there on the floor. She was reading and walking, broke her skull on a stone, didn't look where she was going. She was eating and talking, she choked on a bone, now she believes her home. Dora, Dora, the explorer. Crossed a rotted rope bridge and fell into a gorge. Dora, Dora, the explorer. Stuck her finger in an outlet and was grounded evermore. She swung on a vine. The crocodiles beneath her upon Dora did dine. She played in the rain. A bolt of lightning found her out, and they put her on the wall. Dora, Dora, the explorer. She fell in a volcano and she sank into the core. Dora, Dora, the explorer. She went into a jaguar's den and came out nevermore. The desert was wild. She ran out of water. The vultures found her hide. She sat on a scorpion. The venom dropped her swiftly, and Dora's melted gold. Dora, Dora, the explorer. Though she tried to get away and jumped, she was gored. Dora, Dora, the explorer. She walked on the train tracks, never guessed what was in store. She played with some snakes. Red next to yellow, what was it? She wasn't sure. To rescue a puppy, she ran into traffic, and so it is ignored. Dora, Dora, the explorer. Put her hand in a strange hole and found what it was for. Dora, Dora, the explorer. Attended the World Cup and was trampled by for a score. Dora, Dora, the explorer. Double boosted, need I say more? Dora, Dora, the explorer. Ought to have been more careful when she went out to explore. Oh, Dora.